Let's take a look at your markets picture, kicking things off with the JSE. Now, local markets closing the day in positive territory following the budget that didn't shift much from expectations. Treasury noting higher revenues and also supporting the SARB in lowering the inflation target, all boding well for markets. Gain in precious metals also adding to the upbeat session. And with that, it's green across the board. A lot of the gains coming through from the Financial 15 and the Resources 10 complex, both up 2%. In the meantime, Industrial 25 gaining close to 0.9%. And with that, the all share up over 1.5%. Now let's take a look at what's playing out in the US. Trade remains slightly choppy on that front, with the tech-heavy Nasdaq still under pressure today, but gains in the Dow Jones, and that's supported by a boost in big banks. With that, we are seeing the Dow Jones trading stronger, leading the gains on that front up close to 0.9%. The S&P 500 in the meantime pretty flat, but making it into the green, up 0.05%. The Nasdaq in the meantime shedding close to 0.33%. Shifting focus across the Atlantic. Optimism around the end of the US government shutdown still filtering through and lingering in Europe. Meanwhile, in company news, Europe's biggest tour operator, TUI, said earnings during its 2025 fiscal year exceeded its guidance, driven by strong hotel and cruise demand. Looking at those indices on that front, we are seeing the German DAX leading the gains, up 1.38%, or rather the CAC 40 is the one actually leading the gains there, trading stronger, up close to 1.5%, followed by the DAX then with a gain shy of 1.4%. The FTSE 100 also in the green, gaining close to 0.33%. Let's take a look at what's playing out in the currency scene, kicking things off with the local unit. It is trading, or rather it did hit 2023 highs right after Finance Minister Enoch Godongwana presented the mid-term budget. It has since steadied from that level, but still trading stronger. This comes, of course, as there's more alignment between fiscal and monetary policy after that inflation target was lowered earlier this afternoon. And with that, we are seeing the dollar to the rand at 17.07, the pound to the rand at 22.39, and the euro to the rand trading close to 20, and all those industries stronger. Now let's take a look at your other currency pairs. The euro to the dollar pretty flat at 1.15. The pound to the dollar strong at 1.31. And the dollar to the yen trading weaker, close to 155.